Hi everyone, André from DOVO SUPERFAN here. After completing the first month of the DOVO SUPERFAN challenge, here's what I got from DOVO straight from Solingen, Germany. So let's see what's in here. So here's everything that has arrived. First of all, starting with a very kind note from Jens, the CEO of DOVO, alongside with an interesting ear and nose hair cutter. So you rotate over here and you can get groomed. It's really interesting, really nice. DOVO that has some grooming tools as well. I've received also an oil for taking care of the straight razor. It's very important that we take good care of the straight razor, not to get rusty or not to spoil the edge and the blade. For that, I also received a strop, a leather strop, like it's double-sided, to get ready for each and every shave, before and after the shave. And the start of the party, Bismarck straight razor. Let's take a look. So here's the razor. It's an absolute beauty. It has a acrylic handle, so it's this white acrylic handle. Hope you can see the details of the handle. It is a carbon steel blade, 6/8. It has a round point. It's shoulderless, and the heel is also rounded up. The roof, it's kind of the spine. It's kind of a roof shaped. You can see as this side how it's shaped as a roof. It's a 24 karat gold plating over here, this details, and it's an absolute beast. It's a very beautiful razor. It is sharp ready, it's shave ready, so I won't dare to touch the edge. So it's ready to use as soon as you get right off the package. So we'll be seeing this razor much more often right now over here at DOVO SUPERFAN, as well as my other account, Barba Tradicional, and also in my YouTube channel, Barba Tradicional. So hope you have enjoyed. Many thanks to DOVO and Jens again. It's been really nice to be part of the challenge, DOVO SUPERFAN, and hopefully we'll see you next time as well. Thank you very much.